Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to block YouTube Shorts, how to turn off Shorts on YouTube, or how to disable YouTube Shorts. So first of all, we will open up the YouTube application here, and you can see that this section over here, this is the YouTube Shorts section. So how you can actually remove this section within the application. So this is a simple trick basically. Yeah, you have to click on these three dots on each short here onto the top right, and then you will click on not interested, and you have to do this for all of the shorts that you see here. So if we remove this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one, and now as you can see that our shorts section has been removed. So now if we refresh the application here, so now you can see that we don't have the shorts section in our YouTube again. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.